Welcome to the wonders of wildlife, where every creature plays a vital role in the intricate web of life on our planet. Let's dive into the beauty and importance of wildlife across the globe. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, each species contributes to the balance of our ecosystems. Imagine a world without bees, pollinators, that help us by producing much of the food that we eat. Or without the majestic elephants that shape their landscapes as they move. Predators like lions and wolves are key players in maintaining population control. They ensure that prey species don't overpopulate, which keeps vegetation healthy and ecosystems thriving. But wildlife is more than just a part of nature. It's deeply intertwined with human culture and survival. Wildlife is not just about animals, it's about entire ecosystems working together. The loss of one species can disrupt this balance, affecting everything from the plants to the soil. But wildlife is under threat from habitat destruction, climate change, and poaching. Thankfully, conservation efforts are making a difference, protecting endangered species and restoring ecosystems. We all have a role in protecting wildlife, whether it's supporting conservation. Thank you for joining me on this brief journey into the world of wildlife. Let's work together to ensure that wildlife continues to thrive for the generations to come. Remember, the future of our planet depends on the choices we make today.